Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here with Dan Reutter from U-POL. Today's video will be the first of a three-part series that covers how to perform a complete repair with U-POL's line of fillers, glazes, and coatings. Dan, which products are we covering today?
Thanks for having me today, Jason. U-POL offers a comprehensive line of products that were developed for today's professionals in mind. Our products are designed to improve efficiency and ensure a great result the first time, every time. In this first video, I'll apply our lightweight gold body filler and our premium Dolphin ultra-fine finishing glaze to our repair area. In the next two segments, I'll showcase our System 20 primers and clear coats, which share the same hardener for ease of use and inventory management.
Okay, that sounds great. What can you tell me about the lightweight gold filler and Dolphin Glaze?
Well, Jason, lightweight gold filler is pinhole resistant and features a smooth and creamy formula that makes it easy to spread and sand. It has excellent direct to metal adhesion and offers the versatility of a non-sagging formula combined with superior filling properties, so it's perfect for small to deep repairs, whether on horizontal or vertical surfaces. Lightweight gold filler is non-porous, so it will not shrink nor pull back from the application. Finally, like all U-POL fillers, lightweight gold is a quick drying, and it can be sanded and primed, painted in 15 minutes.
Sounds like an efficient product to use. What can you tell me about this product here?
Well, Jason, this is our UP0714 Dolphin Ultrafine Finishing Glaze. Dolphin Glaze is a direct-to-metal product with excellent adhesion to multiple substrates, so it's solvent-proof in 20 minutes, so you save time over other products on the market, and you can start priming and painting even faster. It's also pinhole-free and easy to apply. Dolphin Glaze is designed for lighter repairs, making it the perfect solution for pinholes and sand scratches and other minor imperfections. And as you'll see today, Dolphin Glaze's self-leveling formulation provides an ultra-fine finish that requires minimal sanding before you prime.
Okay, shall we get started?
Sure, let's go.
First, I'll clean and degrease with wipe 6 to remove any dirt, oil, grease, and other contaminants from the surface. Next, I'll sand the repair area with 180 grit sandpaper. Then I'll blow off the sanding dust. Now I'm ready to mix up the product. I'll dispense lightweight gold filler on an onion board and add 2% hardener. Then I'll mix the material in our figure 8 pattern. After mixing, I'll apply the filler to the repair area and allow 15 minutes for it to dry. Once it's dry, I'll finish sand with 180 grit sandpaper and re-clean the surface with wipe 6. Now I'm ready to complete the bodywork with the Dolphin Ultra Fine Finishing Glaze. I'll dispense the Dolphin Glaze on an onion board and add 2% hardener. Then I'll mix the material in our figure 8 pattern. Next, I'll apply Dolphin Glaze to the repair area. Now I'm going to allow 20 minutes for it to dry. When the Dolphin Glaze is dried, I'll finish sand with 320 grit sandpaper and re-clean the surface with wipe 6. Be sure to watch segment 2 of the series, which shows application of U-POL System 20 primer to the same repair.
Dan, thanks so much for sharing that demonstration today. Where can people find more information about these products?
Sure, thanks, Jason. They can visit u-pol.com to learn more.
All right, perfect. Why don't you summarize what we learned today?
Today was the first of a three-part series on how to perform a complete repair with U-POL products. Part 1 focused on how to properly prepare a surface using U-POL lightweight gold filler and Dolphin ultrafine finishing glaze. Then, in part 2 of the series, I'll show you how to apply our System 20 high build primer.
That sounds great, Dan, and I can't wait to see it. Well, that does it for today. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.